Oh, shoot. But here's a crossing gate right here. So there's cars here. Oh, I see your chat. I'll read it in a bit. Just showing the crossing gate real quick. But, oh wait, hold on guys. I see a blue light. Hold on guys, look. If you look closely over there, there is a blue light. Huh, that's really interesting. Hold on, I'll read your chat in a bit, hold on. Do some diesel engines have blue lights? Because look right there, it's on the track, it's not on the street. It's not like a car light, but it does appear to be a light. Do some trains have white lights or no? Some diesels, or they just usually have the standard yellow, you know, that classic one. But I do see a light over there. I don't know if it's part of a train car or there's actually an engine, but I think there is one, guys. Let's just hope that there is one. Maybe I'll take a video here, but I don't know how I feel about being here because it's a bit too close. And yeah. Oh yeah, I see, you're right. But there's like, it looks like there's 3 lights on it though. You look closely. Yeah, but maybe it is from a car. But why would a car be stopped there? There is a stoplight there, but it's just been there for a while. I've been looking at it for the past 2 minutes. Like, I know the working guys. Hold on, my camera ain't working for some reason. No, what's going on? Hold on guys, my camera's not working anymore. I don't know what happened. There we go. Can you, hey Asuka, can you still see stuff? Just to make sure, because someone called me real quick. Can you make sure if it still works? And I'll read your message right now. Can you please let me know if you're still here? Or somebody who's here. Can you let me know if it still works? Yeah, you just left. Oh yeah, you're back. Let me read your message real quick. It says it's a railroad that's built like 80 feet above the ground and it's still active. That's interesting. Maybe I should look into that bridge. Maybe it looks pretty cool. Do you know where it's at? Like located? It's likely a cool temperature indicator for part of a vehicle warning system. Yeah, you're probably right. There's nobody in the chat. Oh shoot. I just checked the tracks and I see a little light. I don't know if it's from the back of a car, but it appears to be staying on the track. But it's getting pretty dark, so I don't know if it's ever gonna come here. I don't know how I feel about being here a little too late at night.